if you're experiencing login errors on Zelle, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you identify common problems and provide solutions. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can prevent you from logging into Zelle. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Double-check your login credentials, including your email address or phone number and password. Make sure there are no typos and that you are using the correct information associated with your Zelle account. Step 3. Update the app. Make sure you have the latest version of the Zelle app installed on your device. Go to your App Store, check for updates, and install any available updates to ensure optimal performance. Step 4. Clear cache and data. If you're using the app, try clearing the cache and data. Go to your device settings, find the Zelle app, and select the option to clear cache and data. This can resolve issues caused by corrupted files. Step 5. Contact customer support. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. By following these steps, you should be able to fix login errors on Zelle. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from customer support.